So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I was able to gain 30,000 followers on TikTok with ease without paying any money to anyone, with just some little strategy I'm about to share with you. So kindly stick around so that you don't miss anything. And if in case maybe you don't get anything, to just stay into the comment section and I'm going to share with you my knowledgeable ideas. I think it's going to be very helpful for you. So if you're new here, just give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share to your friends too. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go inside of your TikTok and then you tap on this search bar right here, the search section right here. You tap on that side and you're actually going to search for Growth Party. So you type in Growth Party and then you are going to search for it and you're going to see some accounts popping up. So the accounts that are popping up are actually people who help people to grow on TikTok. So you can scroll through and you're going to see a lot of them, and then you can just click on them and then join their live whenever they are on live on TikTok, and you are going to gain lots of followers. So I have some couple of few people who I followed and then they helped me out. In case maybe I share their names with you. They've not actually paid me to do this for them, but I think it was helpful for me, so I'm just going to share their names with you, and then you guys can also follow them, and then you are going to be able to just gain some followers and also some views. So the first person I want to share with you is Official Face Star. I actually want to make this very simple for you, and then shout outs to them. They've helped me to gain some views. So Official Face Star, this girl right here, she's from Kenya, and then she helped me gain almost like 200 followers on TikTok within just like an hour or two. So Official Face Star is one of them. You can just take notes and then you join her live every morning when she gets on TikTok. And then also the next person too is Solo Nice, another guy from Nigeria. He's also another good guy. He's also helped me gain some little bit of followers too. So you join this guy too when he's on live. And then also the next person too is Tema Jesus 1. This guy also, you join his live when he's online live on TikTok, and then you're going to gain some followers. So what you need to do is you need to just draft some content on your page. So you can see my followers right here. I have about 34,000, almost 35k. You have to get some content drafted right here, and then whilst you join their live and then you're actually doing what you are supposed to do, what they ask you to do, you follow, unfollow, and whole lot of stuffs, and then you just release one of the videos whilst you are doing that. So they will actually tell them to just come to your videos and then like it up, or watch some few seconds of it, maybe 30 seconds or 20 seconds of your video, and they will watch your current video. So once they watch the video you just posted, it's actually going to gain some momentum, and TikTok is actually going to suggest to a lot of people. And trust me, that is really going to help. I started this with this video right here, and I got 18k with that strategy, and actually helped me. So when I saw I was just gaining some views, and I decided to just double down and I started posting frequently, and actually by then I had already gained about 5,000 followers, and then it actually helped me to just move my TikTok page. And after I gained 5,000 followers, I didn't join their live again, and with their help of that, it actually helped me to just push my content, and now I'm having 34,000, almost 35,000 followers just within 1 month. So in case maybe you think I'm just ranting about nothing, I'm actually going to show you in my analytics how long I've been doing this, and you're going to see the followers just started coming in after some few months. So I'm going to go to my last 60 days, and you're going to see right here, I go to my followers, and you're going to see the line right here. So you can see even on the 8th of May, I was still flat lined. You can see right here, I just had 843 followers right here. You can see on the 8th of May, June. And then when I started joining their live, you could see I had 200 plus followers the next day. So you can see here, I just had one follower and attached to the 843, and then you can see right here, I gained 1,001 with 201 followers in addition. So afterwards, I just released some content, and then you can see right here, I gained 7,000 followers in a day, and then I just released, I had 2,000 followers, I had 600 followers. In a day I could get about 10,000 followers, and that was pretty awesome. So I think this is one strategy you guys shouldn't sleep on. You can see my followers right here. It's really mind-blowing. And then when I go to the overview and you check out my views too, you can see I have 2.8 million views within the last 60 days, and it's even the last 28 days. So I'll check for you guys right here. You can see in the last 28 days I still have 2.8. so it means this thing actually happened within a month. It didn't take enough time. When we go here to the followers, you can see right here, it just happened within a month. It didn't take enough time. I didn't do this for the past 6 months. You can see it's just a month, from the 16th of June to the 13th of July, and you're gonna see, so you can see the dip right here. It shows you how I was gaining the followers until it just jumped, and then now it got here. So this is the strategy. I don't lie to you, a lot of people are not going to share with you, so I'm just going to share with you. You follow these guys and then you do what they ask you to do on their live, and trust me, you're going to gain a lot of followers, and the followers are actually going to turn into viewers, because when you post, they are actually going to show it on their faces, I mean on their For You pages, and then it's actually going to help you blow up on TikTok. So you can see I have a lot of videos right here, and I even just posted this one just today, and you can see the views I'm getting. I have about 29,400. I just posted it 15 hours ago right here, and then you can just see I have a video which is about 1.3 million too. You can see right here. So it's really working. It's actually going to help you out. So just like it up, and then in case maybe you try it out and it works for you, trust me, come back to my video and then comment for a lot of people to know this actually works. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up, and in case you want to know more about apps and then also more tech videos, you can just make a date for my next video, and that's going to be very helpful. And you can follow me on TikTok in case you are a fan of TikTok too. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.